I've always been active, very active, and I've always been healthy. I've always done the right things, I guess. It's funny how you don't feel your age. You never think of yourself as being old.
At 108 years old, Julia Hawkins defies popular opinion about the aging process. Known as the Hurricane Hawkins, she is still an example of vitality and an inspiration to many, demonstrating the power of a healthy lifestyle. Despite her century-long journey, Julia is more active and spirited than ever, frequently seen participating in senior athletic events and living life with an energy that astounds many. What exactly is her secret?
Just stay healthy and keep running. And I'm going to keep running as long as I can.
In this video, Julia reveals the 5 key foods she swears by to stay young and vibrant. Plus, we will look into 2 foods she avoids. And lastly, we will talk about her physical activity. So, stay tuned until the end for some useful tips you can start using right away. 5 foods she swears by. Number 1. Mixed greens. Julia Hawkins attributes much of her health and longevity to her daily consumption of mixed greens, particularly broccoli, spinach, and kale. These greens are my secret to staying strong and full of energy, she frequently says. Broccoli is a versatile vegetable that can be steamed, roasted, or served raw in salads. Its slightly bitter taste goes well with a squeeze of lemon juice or a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. Spinach can be eaten fresh in salads, sautéed as a side dish, or blended into smoothies for a nutritional boost. These mixed greens are best consumed throughout the day, whether in the form of a morning smoothie, a lunch salad, or a dinner side dish. They contain high levels of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals such as calcium and iron. Number 2. Legumes. Julia Hawkins, with her dedication to a healthy lifestyle, emphasizes the importance of plant-based protein sources like beans and lentils. Beans come in many varieties, such as black beans, chickpeas, and kidney beans. These can be cooked in soups, stews, or curries, used as a base for salads, or mashed into spreads like hummus. Lentils, another favorite, can be simmered into hearty lentil soups, tossed into salads, or used in veggie burgers. Beans and lentils can be enjoyed at any meal. They make a hearty breakfast addition, a filling lunch ingredient, or a satisfying dinner component. Their versatility in taste and texture allows them to be incorporated into numerous dishes, providing a rich, savory flavor. Nutritionally, beans and lentils are excellent sources of protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, including iron and folate. These nutrients support muscle strength, digestive health, and energy levels. By choosing plant-based proteins, Julia reduces her intake of saturated fats and cholesterol, lowering her risk of heart disease and other chronic illnesses. Number 3. Yogurt. Julia Hawkins appreciates regular yogurt as a staple in her diet, receiving its benefits for gut health and overall well-being. Yogurt can be enjoyed in various ways: plain, mixed with fresh fruits, blended into smoothies, or used as a base for dips and dressings. It offers a creamy, tangy taste that pairs well with both sweet and savory ingredients. Yogurt is best eaten in the morning or as a snack throughout the day. Its refreshing taste makes it a delightful breakfast option or a midday pick-me-up. Number 4. Bananas. Julia Hawkins' favorite fruit, bananas, is more than just a tasty snack. It's a nutritional powerhouse. Bananas can be enjoyed in many forms: fresh, sliced into cereal or yogurt, blended into smoothies, or baked into bread and muffins. Their naturally sweet flavor makes them a versatile and satisfying treat. Bananas are best eaten as a morning or afternoon snack, providing a quick and sustained source of energy. Their creamy texture and sweet taste make them a delightful addition to any meal or on their own. Rich in potassium, bananas help regulate blood pressure, support heart health, and aid muscle function. Their high fiber content promotes digestive health, while magnesium and tryptophan present in bananas contribute to a good night's sleep by converting to serotonin and melatonin in the brain. Julia's love for bananas showcases her commitment to eating foods that support her active lifestyle and overall well-being. By incorporating bananas into her diet, she enjoys a delicious and nutritious fruit that helps maintain her vitality and energy levels. Number 5. Hydration. Remaining hydrated is fundamental for Julia Hawkins' overall well-being, and she focuses on water consumption throughout the day.
I didn't smoke and didn't drink, and I tried to sleep enough and exercise enough. And
Julia avoids sugary drinks and caffeine, choosing fresh, clean water to support essential bodily functions and maintain optimal hydration levels. She makes sure to drink water consistently, whether she's at home, out for a walk, or participating in senior athletic events. Water can be enjoyed plain with a slice of lemon or cucumber for a refreshing twist, or infused with fruits and herbs for a subtle flavor. It's the perfect companion throughout the day, from the moment you wake up to just before bedtime. Proper hydration is crucial for regulating body temperature, transporting nutrients, and maintaining healthy skin. 2 foods she avoids. Based on Julia Hawkins' dedication to health and longevity, she avoids 1. Fried foods. Fried foods are typically high in unhealthy fats and calories and often lack essential nutrients. They can contribute to weight gain, increase cholesterol levels, and pose risks to heart health. Julia's preference for maintaining a healthy diet suggests that she opts for cooking methods that preserve nutritional value and minimize added fats. By avoiding fried foods, she prioritizes foods that support her active lifestyle and overall well-being. Number 2. Red meat and high-fat animal products. Julia opts for plant-based proteins like beans and lentils instead of red meat and high-fat animal products. Red meat, such as beef and pork, is often high in saturated fats and cholesterol, which can increase the risk of heart disease and other health problems. By choosing leaner protein sources and plant-based options, Julia supports her heart health and overall well-being. Julia's active lifestyle. Julia's whole life has been very active. Initially, she started practicing cycling and even took up competitive cycling at 75, with dreams of becoming a professional. However, she later switched to running. Now, she runs short sprints of 50 meters on the calm street in front of her house and rides her bike around her local area, maintaining an active lifestyle that has contributed to her remarkable longevity.
I was able to do it, and I fell in love with it. It just seemed like such a fun thing to do.
Gardening is one of Julia's favorite pastimes. She spends hours tending to her plants, enjoying the physical exertion and the peaceful connection with nature. The bending, digging, and lifting involved in gardening provide excellent low-impact exercise, contributing to her muscle strength and flexibility.
I got a gold medal in the cycling and in the 50-yard dash.
Whether riding around her neighborhood or taking leisure bike trips, cycling keeps her cardiovascular system healthy and her muscles engaged. British research shows that a half-hour bike ride every day can burn nearly 5 kilograms of fat over a year, stimulating and improving heart rate, lungs, and circulation, thus reducing the risks of cardiovascular disease. Julia, who has a stent in her heart, is particularly conscious about her heart health. She suggests staying active to maintain overall well-being and prevent serious diseases like heart attack and stroke. Her approach underscores the importance of making mindful choices to promote longevity and vitality. Julia Hawkins embodies vibrant health and vitality, showing that age is no barrier to maintaining an active and fulfilling life.